In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Kartra. By the end, you'll have your PayPal account linked and ready to accept payments through Kartra, using a clear, reliable process you can repeat anytime. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Kartra. From the results, click the official Kartra website. To be safe, look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and make sure you're on the legitimate site before you proceed. When the page loads, sign into your Kartra account with your usual credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get in smoothly. Once you're in, head straight to the settings area. This is where Kartra keeps your account-level configuration, including payment connections. Inside Settings, find and click Integrations. Think of integrations as your control room for connecting Kartra to trusted third-party services like payment gateways and email platforms. In the top right, click the plus integration button to add a new connection. A list of available services will appear. Choose PayPal, then click Next. It's a good idea to make sure you're using a PayPal business account, since that's typically required for selling products and receiving payments through platforms like Kartra. Now click Connect PayPal. A new window will open, taking you to PayPal to authorize the connection. If nothing pops up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Kartra just for this step. When the PayPal window appears, log in with your PayPal business credentials and follow the on-screen prompts to grant Kartra permission to connect. You'll see confirmation screens from PayPal as you proceed. Continue until PayPal indicates the authorization is complete, and then the window will close or redirect you back to Kartra. Back in Kartra, you should see PayPal listed among your integrations, showing that the connection is active. If it doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. From here, your PayPal gateway is ready to be used inside Kartra when you set up products and checkout pages. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're logged into the correct PayPal account in your browser before you start. Double-check that your browser is up to date, and keep your PayPal currency settings in mind when you create offers later in Kartra. With everything connected, you're set to accept payments through PayPal directly from your Kartra funnels and pages.